What's up guys, David here, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to SIM unlock the iPhone 7. It's worth noting that this method also works for the iPhone 7 Plus and pretty much any other iPhone out there. So the first thing you're going to want to do is turn off Find My iPhone, which you can do by going into the settings, then iCloud, then Find My iPhone, and then flip the switch to the off position. Once you've done that, go back to the home screen and open up the dialer and dial *#06# to bring up your iPhone's IMEI number. Write this number down and make sure that you get it right, as you're gonna need it later. The next step is to get the unique unlock code that your phone needs from an unlocking service, and soon enough you'll get an email that looks something like this, telling you that your iPhone 7 has been unlocked. And from here, all you have to do is enter in an unaccepted SIM card. So basically any SIM card that isn't from the carrier your phone is locked to. So in my case, since the phone is locked to AT&T, I'll enter in a T-Mobile SIM card, and then all you have to do is connect the phone to Wi-Fi, and that's it. Your iPhone will be officially unlocked.
Okay guys, so your iPhone 6 or iPhone 6 Plus is having an issue where basically it's a black screen. You know the phone still works because you can hear it vibrate, or you can hear it when somebody calls you. I'm going to show you several steps what you can do to possibly get this phone up. Okay, now this here I'm using is an iPhone 6. It's working right now, and I'll show you exactly what I did to get this back on. Basically what you want to do is this. You want to go ahead and hold down the power button and the home button simultaneously. Okay, I'm gonna go, ready, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna hold these two buttons down, pretend that the phone is still black. Okay, I'm gonna continue to hold this down until you see the Apple logo pop up. There's the Apple logo. Now what I'll do is simply let go, and hopefully this will get your phone up and running. Now if this doesn't, I'm going to show you another step. Give this a second to boot up here. Okay. Now the other way, let's pretend my screen is black again. And this way, and this time what we're going to do is we're going to hold down the power button for 3 seconds and continually to hold it down. And then I'm going to press the home button and I'm going to hold that down as well. Okay, so 3 seconds for the power button first. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now hold down the home button and continually to hold it down. So I'm holding both buttons now still. And then once you see the Apple logo, just let it go through the boot process and your phone should be up. Now if this doesn't work, I'll show you the next possible option. Okay, now the third step, which you can possibly do now, it's possible that if you drop your phone, that your backlight display cable maybe got dislodged in the back. So what you can do, rather than opening your phone, before you open your phone, what you can do is you can press firmly Press right here, right by the camera and the flashlight here. Just keep pressing down like really hard right here. And hopefully, once you do that, your phone will be up and running as well. Now, if this last step didn't work for you, look on the link on the bottom of the description here, and I'll post it where another YouTuber actually, where he dismantled his phone. It was really easy. He just took this part, unscrewed the 2 screws down here, popped this up, and basically he pushed down on a plate that was right here, and he heard like a little snap and his phone went back on. So that's pretty much it. Any questions or anything, comment below. If any of these steps work for you, please comment if it was option number 1, 2, or 3. All right, thanks. Bye.